Okay, so in this video we're going to add reinforcement. So the first thing first, uh, I'll go to structure and I'll go to rebar. Now I've already loaded first this the last this thing. I'll click OK. I've already loaded the shapes, but you will be asked to pick a shape. uh, and generally I pick all of them and I sort of load all of them. What you can do alternatively is you can click here as load shapes and it will take you to this libraries, English, rebar shapes, and just control A select all of them and you can click on open and load it. Now I've loaded all of these. uh, I will start at this beam. So for any beam that you want to add a reinforcement to, in that direction you need to add a temporary section. So I'll make a section using this and I'll just align it with this grid and it'll create a new section which is section 2. Now I need to see through this beam. I don't need to see the solid beam. So I'll go to this display visual style and I'll go to wireframe. I can see all of this. Now I can go to rebar. Again, it'll ask me the same question. Okay. And I'll go to sketch. Okay, now sketch will ask me to pick a host. Now which beam do you want to add the rebar for? So I'll select this beam, hover over it, select it and click OK. And now I can start drawing. Now what I'll draw is I'll draw an L hook from here, from this outer cover of the column all the way down and then go above till this column. Okay, so and also what dia, I can go to edit type here and I can change the dia. Okay, with bar diameter. The material is by default it's you can add steel, but I'm not going into material right now. You can go here and add steel reinforcement rebar. Okay, so a lot of these rebar shapes, but I'm not going into that right now. There is stainless steel and lots of steel. Anyway, I just need a 12 mm dia rebar, so 12.7 is okay. And I'll start drawing from here. I need a pink line till the last one here. Okay, it will already add these fillets and I'll just see how it looks. So I'll click this and I'll go into my 3D. My 3D is this tiny house icon. I'll open a 3D tab. Now I can't see anything, so I'll go to visual style and I go to wireframe. First of all, I'll escape this for now and I'll go to wireframe and see if my bar is added. My single bar is added here and it looks fine to me. Only thing is I don't need a single bar, I need 2 bars. So I'll click on this, go to multiple, fixed number and I'll click 2. So I have 2 bars added here. I can go to thick lines, thin lines and I'll see how it looks. It doesn't really help me, but okay, so we've added 2 bars. So similarly, you can add 2 bars above. What I'll do additionally is add a cranked third bar which adds as an extra bottom and an extra top. You can crank it, you can curtail it, depends on how you detail the beam. So I'll again go to section 2 and I'll go to rebar. I will go to sketch rebar and I'll pick the host, which is this beam again. Okay, and I'll start drawing. So I'll do this and somewhere I'll sort of come down and then go here and go here and then come back here. Then I can go down here again and here I think I need to take it a little ahead and go down again. Okay, now if you want to change, you can change the length later, but right now I'm just sort of roughly approximating. I'll click OK. Can't convert sketch into a rebar shape. Let's do it once again. Generally you need to do from one end to the other and that's why it's not happening. Let's try once again. We'll start with this end, go here in the top, go straight, then crank it down, then take it here, then crank it up, go on the right to somewhere here and then go down, and let's see if it happens. Yes, now we'll go to 3D and see that how it has worked out. Okay, so this is our cranked bar. that adds our as our extra top and extra bottom.